Hey everybody, here's another property in Tulsa. This is a little older property. We weren't able to get into. There's no lockbox code. I walked around. Every window is boarded up. So it's not even worth the walk around because I guarantee it's trashed out inside. It is at East 4th Street in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Seller, hedge fund wants $75 for it. It's on a good sized corner lot. Good sized lot. It says BPO as is 102. I doubt that. I mean, roof is the only thing that looks decent. It's an older roof. I'm sure everything is trashed out. It's got a unfit for occupancy by the city. Legal payoff on this is 171. Current UPB is 159, so upside down by 70,000. It's pre-judgment. Borrower, as far as the due date, is 2nd of 2024. So obviously somebody passed away probably before then. It was built in 1953, 1,807 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and then the 1-car detached garage around back. There is a shed in the back. It's a nice neighborhood. Neighbor next door is growing tomatoes and peppers along the fence line. It's just a little older side of town. Down the street, you got a neighborhood that's got, I don't know if you can see that, just a ton of pots and flowers, anything over there. But yeah, this one we're not going to explore. No lockbox on the front. You don't have a lockbox code, and you could actually see a trail through the grass where either somebody's homeless is jumping in it, but most of the windows and doors were all completely boarded up by the city. So we're not going to waste much time with this one on the numbers.